Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Opines. So guys, today I'm going to do another video on interview skills, and today I'm going to share with you all 9 interview tips that I usually follow whenever I appear for an interview. These tips are already there in my mind, they are imbibed in my personality. Okay, so I thought why not to share these tips so that these tips may be fruitful to you also, because these tips always have done wonders for me. So I hope the same tips may be a kind of a help to you also. So if you're interested in this video, then stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel right away. And if you will like these tips, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with those people who will find value in it. So let's get started. So guys, whenever we think of an interview, it causes a sort of nervousness in our mindset, in our thought that what is going to happen, what type of question they are going to ask, whether I will be able to give my 100% or not, right? There are lots of questions, a train of thoughts, a train of question actually runs in our mind, and because of that we become so nervous that though you know everything, though your knowledge is up to the mark, your communication skills, they are also pretty good, but still you are not able to give your 100%, you are not able to imbibe all the other factors which actually gives an effective interview, right? So imbibe these 9 tips that I'm going to tell you along with your confidence, and you will just see the magic, literally. So let's get started with your first tip. And the first tip is, whenever you will enter into an interview room, you make sure that you give a soft smile. Okay, a soft smile always works as a magic, but you have to make sure that your smile should not show your nervousness. Your smile should always reflect your confidence. Okay, so it should not appear that you are smiling because of some compulsion, right? It should not happen. You should prepare yourself before that, and I've already made a video on that how you can prepare personality while appearing for an interview, and if you're interested you can watch that video also. So you have to prepare your personality that whenever you enter into a room, you should always carry a soft smile, and what it does, it actually gives a positive vibe. Okay, it gives the positive vibes to the interview panel that okay, this person has come, this person is carrying a soft smile, so this person is quite confident, right? So it shows your confidence. So guys, please carry a soft smile and not a compulsion smile. And after entering into a room, always make a point that you will ask permission to take your seat. This is your second tip. Okay, so you can always say that may I sit, may I take my seat. So these are the phrases that you can use to take your seat. So always seek the permission first, then only sit. So now, after entering into the room, taking a seat, now what should be your next step? It should be that you need to greet everyone. Whomsoever the person is sitting there in the panel, you need to greet everyone. You have to nod and you have to greet everyone. If it is like 12 at noon, then it should be good morning, and if it is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., then it should be good afternoon, and after 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. it should be good evening. So this is how you are supposed to greet everyone, and make it a point everyone. If there are 5 people in the panel, you have to greet all of them. Okay, say good morning, and you have to make a good eye contact with everyone, so it always leaves a good impression on the panel that this person is confident and this person is taking care of each and every person in the panel. So the next tip is, and the most important part, that always listen to your panel. Whatsoever the panel is telling you, you have to listen your panel first. It's not the case like no matter what, how many of experience you have in your hand, and you straight away starts with the achievement that I have done this, that I have done that. Okay, no one is interested because they already have your resume, right? So do not straight away start with your achievements. Okay, do not be a blabbermouth that time. Okay, you have have to listen to your panel first, and whatever the panel is asking you, you have to answer those questions only. Because speaking much, again, it doesn't leave a good impression. So do not speak much, listen more. Okay, so listen your panel and then only speak. So next tip is, of course, be ready with your introduction. I know this is a tricky question, that this is the way we all start, that introductory part is always being the toughest part in an interview. Okay, so but guys, you have to be ready with your introduction. Okay, you have to prepare yourself for that introduction. So the next step is your non-verbal communication, your body language. So whenever you take your seat, make it a point that you will not sit in a slouch posture. Okay, you're not supposed to sit like this. Okay, sit straight. Okay, you have like your back should be straight. Okay, so you have to sit straight. Another point, you are not supposed to make a lot of gestures, a lot of hand movements. Like when you're talking, you are making a lot of hand movements, because it's a natural tendency that whenever we speak, we make a lot of hand movements. But that time you have to be in control whenever you are giving your interview. And because your body language, again, it leaves a great impression on the panel, because your body language also reflects your confidence. So you have to balance your emotion and personality during the interview. So make it a point that you will work over your body language also. And the next tip is, and it's a very important tip, and I used to follow this tip always, that you have to carry one copy of resume with yourself whenever you appear for an interview. No matter what, you have already submitted your resume to the organization, they already have your resume, but still you are supposed to carry one copy of resume with yourself, because you never know when you are in the need of your resume. Okay, so be ready with your resume. It always leaves a great impression on the panel also. In case if they will ask like, can I have a copy of resume, so you should be ready with your copy of resume. And the last tip is your voice modulation. I always talk about your voice modulation I think in many of my videos, that you have to work over your voice modulation. So you are not supposed to scream, you are not supposed to be loud, you are supposed to be audible enough, and that you should not sound too low, and at the same time you should not sound too high. Okay, you should know how to control your volume, you should know how to control your tone. So your voice modulation actually plays an essential role during your interview. So guys, there are many of the tips that you can actually apply for your interview, for your interview skills, but these 9 tips are from my side. I may come up with another part 2 of interview tips, but for this video I think this is the most important tips, you can say the most important interview skills, you can say, that you should apply whenever you appear for an interview. I hope that you will like this video, and if in case, then what you have to do, you have to just hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.